Hey y'all, we are back and I am gonna show you the basic necessity that you need to decorate a cake, which is a crumb coat. So follow along and I'll show you exactly how to do it. To start my cake, I am just gonna put a good layer of buttercream on my board and start with my layer of cake. And then I'm gonna put a good layer of buttercream in the middle. Ice around, getting it all the way to the sides. And then going back and just smoothing out like so. And then I'll take my second layer and turn it face down and put it on my cake. And you can see there is a little bit of room here that is a-okay. That just means I didn't want to waste a bunch of cake cutting it perfectly level. So I have my cake here. I'm gonna put just a little bit of buttercream on top. And the point of a crumb coat is to get it as thin as possible. So I'm gonna push this out and smooth it out to where you can see my cake. You wanna be able to see through your buttercream. And you can see right through it. You can see all those crumbs that are on top. Those are gonna lock in to this buttercream when we chill it so that it won't come out in our second layer, which is our final layer. So I'm gonna do this all the way around, taking a little bit of buttercream, going all the way around my cake. And then keeping a separate bowl to scrape my spatula so that I don't get crumbs in my big bowl of clean buttercream. And then now that I've iced all the way around, super thin, I will go back with my bench scraper and just smooth it out a little bit more, making sure it's nice and tight with my cake. And then once I go all the way around, I will come back and do the top. Now that all my crumbs are locked in, you stick this in the fridge and you are ready to decorate. So if you liked this video, make sure to like and subscribe and ring the bell so we can change the world one cake at a time. Bye.